Hey guys, in this video we're going to find the area of this hexagon. So they give you a base and the height, and again you're going to cut it up into triangles and rectangles that you know. So my suggestion, and the easiest way that we found it, is to make it into triangles. So when you do that, you're going to basically go to all the corners, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all of those triangles are going to be the same. Notice at the top, this is really like your little dotted line just to tell you the height. So it's not separating it into the two sections. So let's do the area of one triangle. So that would be 7 times 4 and then divided by 2. We're going to divide it by 2 because it's the two triangles. So then each triangle is going to be 14, but then there's 6 triangles, so we're going to times it by 6. And then that's going to be 84, and then feet squared. Okay, so remember, cut it up into triangles. The number of triangles are going to be the same number as the number of side lengths, or sides on your shape. So then find the area of one triangle and then multiply it by however many there are, but don't forget to divide it by 2. So go ahead and on your paper do the back top 2 with the hexagons and pentagon. Go ahead and do those 2 and then check the key.